What stands behind Total's ambition to become the responsible energy major?
What stands behind our ambition to be the responsible energy major is that we see a future where, in fact, climate is, of course, shaping differently the world compared to what it used to be. And we have the ambition to bring to our customers on this long-term period. We want to supply them with energy that will be safe, that will be reliable, that will be affordable, and that will be clean. And to materialize this future, this means that we will bring to our customers more gas, because gas is clearly one part of the answer. And we'll bring also low carbon electricity that can be made from gas, but also from renewables. And we have started a very strong development in renewables.
What are the biggest challenges facing the current LNG market, and what is your strategy to cope with them?
The biggest challenge that we are facing in the LNG market is that LNG has to face competition on electricity generation from coal, and we are still facing in many countries, many markets. We are still facing a competition with coal. Should it be short-lived because it is still a time when not all countries have realized that coal was clearly to be banned if we want really to be on a virtuous scenario from a climate point of view, what we call the 2 C scenario. We still need to convince that yes, coal has to go, and LNG and gas more generally has to replace it everywhere where it is possible.
How will gas-fired power stations help in the progression towards an integrated gas and electric value chain?
For us, it's important to be integrated across all the gas chain, and we've decided to develop this downstream integration all the way down to the end-use customers, and this is what we are doing in Europe. We have been acquiring not only CCGT, by the way, but also marketing portfolios, and now we have a strong position in France and in Belgium, which is growing fast. But to be really integrated, we need also to be integrated in terms of power generation to supply electricity, because electricity is the end of the gas chain. And if you want to get a safe supply reliable supply for your customers, renewables, of course, are part of the answer to have a low carbon electricity. But you need also to have gas, because gas brings flexibility, reliability, and for us it's very important also to be present in gas-fired power generation, and this is why we decided to acquire several plants. Some CCGTs were acquired when we took the control of Direct Energy last July, and now we are also completing our portfolio with 2 CCGTs bought from Kakai.
How can the gas industry utilize the digital innovation to fit into the energy sector in the long term?
Digital is clearly what is needed for us to get from electricity to smart electricity. And the challenge is today that we have more and more renewables that are intermittent and not always predictable source of power supply. And to complement, we have gas-fired power generation that can be flexible enough to complement the renewable, to make sure that you will produce and deliver a safe and reliable supply to your customers. But to control this electricity, you need to do it real time, and only digital can help you and to monitor different power generation plants in order to cope with customer needs. And on top of that, digital can also bring even more smartness in the system by allowing our customers to monitor themselves their demand and decide to reduce their demand when the price of electricity is high, And you cannot do that on a continuous basis if you don't have digital tool in order to make this optimization for you.
What do you look forward to when attending the Gastech exhibition and conference?
Gastech is always a fantastic opportunity to meet with all our partners from all around the world, all partners that feel that gas is a key energy, and we feel that way. So we hope that after this Gastech edition 2018, all the participants will get a very high morale as to the need of continuing to develop gas everywhere on the planet, and especially LNG.